Alright, good day, Padre, the crypto guy. So today, what are we doing? We're going to be interacting with the VenomFoundation Testnet. The testnet went live about 2 days ago. So my mom Mandy told me this project has a lot of potential. Yeah, the project is this particular one is coming from a very good and reliable source. If you're on 15% trade through, you hear they're talking about it already. Mr. Stash has been doing justice to that. All right, so quickly, let's go. I want to guide you through this quick, easy step on how to get this done. If you have an Apple phone, download it from here. Click on this link to download, or if you are using Android, use this link to download. When you are done downloading, you go to this place, this tax to collect your test Venom. You get 50 for doing some tax. So I've actually set up my wallet and I'm actually here now. Click on this task and I'm using the app. Of course, I'm going to switch over to my Mrs. browser when I want to do my bridging task. Okay, now I've switched to this app. I've actually connected, log in with my Twitter account and then connected, my wallet, log in with my Twitter. So the next thing is to follow these guys on Twitter. This is the button you use to follow them on Twitter. All right, so you click here to follow them. Because you're already logging in the app, it's just going to take you directly. Your Twitter will be logging on their app. It's easier for that way to verify. All right, Venom Foundation, the asynchronous blockchain, building a more connected future, secure by design, scalability by nature. All right, let's see how that goes. Is a new blockchain is good. So I'll follow them now. All right, I'll follow them. I'm just going to like this their pin posts. You can go further by commenting on the post. Not that I mean anything, just so that your verification won't have issue. From experience, I've seen that sometimes verifying this kind of stuff and you didn't comment, it might have one or two issues. So I just do this as a practice. So I've commented here. All right. So what we need to do now is to go back. Click on this arrow here, not this down one, the up one. Where am I? Alright, so click on this up arrow to go back. Alright, so now we are here. I follow them, so I'm going to click on check now. So many persons have been telling me they check and it's not working. Let's see how that goes. So check. Alright, so simple and easy. The check was done. So now I'm going to claim token. I'll claim and then I'll get my 50 Venom. Alright, so I'm going to authenticate this. Let's see how that goes. I'm going to pause this while it processes and then come back when we are done. Where's my recorder? Whoa. Alright, so the token claim was successful. And then one more thing, this thing takes time. Alright, so when you claim, you have to give it time to process. Well, I'm going to click on this claim again. Let me see what happens. Your token will be claimed soon. Okay, that's what it said. Let's do it again. Your token will be claimed soon. So alright, so let's check our wallet. This is my wallet. This is my wallet. So I'm going to wait for the token to drop. I'm going to wait for the test token to drop before I proceed to the next step. I think these guys have actually recently has been having delays, unnecessary delays. The first time I did this, when you just claim and it's there. Now it's saying I will have to wait. I think they are getting too many traffic, so that explains why. So we have to wait. I'll wait for this token to drop and then I can proceed to the next task. Alright, I'm going to proceed to the next step. Let's see how that goes. Click on here again. This will take us to tax. The first time it will take you to claim if you don't have any Venom. So now let's click on this again. Let's see how that goes. So let's connect. We already did the Twitter task, so let's see where it's going to take us to now. Alright, good. So it's going to show us all the tasks that we need to do to claim NFT. Is the NFT still open? Let's say let's wait for it. All right, so these are the available NFT to claim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. All right, let's go. So the first, you scroll down, these are the tags to complete. When you scroll down, you come here, these are the tags. So you have 3 tags here to complete. So I'm going to click on tags for that one. Each of the tags you complete, you can mint the NFT for that. Okay, so now is to follow them on Twitter. First thing here, so we're going to click on follow. So I'm going to give them a follow here. So just like we did the other time, I'm going to comment on their pin posts, like it and comment massive. It's your boy VenomFoundation, the crypto guy. Alright, then to go back, press here. Alright, so now we can go and check this guy. Let's see how that goes. It's processing. Done. That task is complete. The next one is this guy. We click here again. No. What did this one say? Say tweet about us. Alright, so this one says tweet about us. So I'm just gonna click here to make the tweet about them, and then I can come back to check. So let's go. Alright, it has this thing copied out already. Alright, so I'm just going to tweet it. Alright, so you can click here to view what you tweeted. So V-Launch, long time no see. Alright, so this is it here. Meanwhile, you can give me a follow on Facebook, on Twitter, and I'm going to give you a follow back. It's at KingPadre @KingPadre on Twitter. Okay. Alright, so let's quickly go back to the main page again and confirm this to the tax page. Alright, so wow, it's already showing mint. So now I'm going to click on check. Good. So the second task is done, and then you can hear, see, it's very easy. Is the NFT is here for me to mint. I'm just going to click on mint here, and then I'll have to pay this Venom. Let's hope I have Venom already. Let's hope that Venom has dropped. So the only way to check it is to try it. So let's go and try. It's processing. Alright, it's your boy VenomFoundation, the crypto guy. Just follow this procedure as I do it, and it's gonna be simple. If I encounter any problem, I'm gonna tackle it heads on. Okay? We're making it easy for you. Alright, so I'm going to wait for it to finish minting. Meanwhile, let me pause this video. Let me not make it too long. Alright, so this is taking time. You can see that it's had this in take time, so you have to wait for it. Now I check my wallet and I have the 50 Venom already. Alright, so it means some have been deducted already for that tax. Alright, so just wait for it to finish minting. We wait as long as it takes for this guy to finish minting. Okay, I'm not in a rush. I'm going to pause the video again and wait. Meanwhile, while we wait, I'm setting up my Mrs. browser here. We might need it when we want to do our bridging, so let's open go. This is my Mrs. browser. It's even good. I think I need to make this browser. I'm going to make it my default browser. No, let's leave it like that. Alright, so by default, you got this MetaMask extension coming up. I will not sign up. I want to do my own. I want to go and download it my own. metamask.io. Alright, so I want to set up my meta. I want to download it from their website. It's asking me to download on Play Store. Put this guy on desktop mode. put the browser on desktop mode. All right, so now download for Chrome. You see the trick? Okay, I think the extension is already, the extension, MetaMask extension is already here by default. I remove it and then I add it again. All right. So this is what they call Macy's browser. I'm going to drop a link to how to this Macy's browser in the video description. All right. So that you can as well add it up. All right. Macy's browser is one of the best mobile browser I've used. Okay. All right. So when you are done, okay, yeah, the MetaMask, it comes up for you on its own. So this is 2-in-1 video. I'm showing you now how to set up your MetaMask on your Macy's browser and how to do the Venom task, right? All right, good. Then we are good. Try again. All right, so I'm going to create a new wallet. Agree. All right, so I'll pause this video, and when I'm done with this procedure, I think it's pretty straightforward. All right, so my Macy's browser is set up. Now this is my MetaMask. This is my MetaMask extension. Let me close this MetaMask page. All right, let me close this, guys. So this is my meta. If you want to check your MetaMask, you just click on this guy here like this from your Macy's browser to go to your. This is my MetaMask. This other one is Macy's browser extension. Okay. I think since we're already here on this Macy's, let me show you guys one more thing. Now tap on this place. You see where I tap? Let me show you. Click on this guy like this. Here, and then go to this page. Click on this airdrop. You also earn Mrs. points from doing this guy. These guys have not launched yet. So when you click on this point, you go to this airdrop, right? And then verify this your Twitter account to get stuff. Okay, so verify my Twitter account. You need to create a Miss ID, so I'm going to create that. Oh, this video is getting long. Well, I think it should be worth it. Aha, this thing is showing you guys my seed phrase. Let me pause this video and then I'll get back. So you know where I follow to create this thing. I'm going to do a new one so that all right, so my Mrs. browser ID is set. So let me verify my Twitter now. So go to verify Twitter. I'll have to log in my Twitter account here at Thecryptopadre. Then I'll enter my password. My password is not hard. All right, so I'm still setting up my Mrs. browser, but this my NFT has minted. Okay, don't lose focus. Remember, I'm installing another browser, so this one is Venom strictly. The other one is Mrs. Okay, Mrs. browser. Okay, all right, so I'm done with this. My NFT. This is, I've minted one of the NFT, so now I'm going to go back here. Click on back to project. All right, so you can see we have done the first task. Congratulations if you are following so far. All right, so now we go to the second one. Non-custodial wallet. So in this second one, we have only 2 tasks. So let's click on it, complete task. Let's see what we got. This one say what? Send token. Send Venom from your wallet to. Now we need to send Venom from our wallet to this guy, to this address. All right. So what do you need to do? Copy the address. I've copied the address, right? Then click here. They say send Venom. So any amount you send will do. So click here. The thing will take me to Venom. Here's this guy. Here's this. Well. You know what? Let's go back and send. So we are supposed to just click on your wallet. From that task, just click on. Let me go to the task again. All right. So from this task like this, don't click here. Instead, click on your wallet. Yeah, click on your wallet. Once you have copied the address, click on your wallet. Then click on send. Paste the address that you copy. The address is paste. Then enter amount. I don't want to send big Joe. I'm going to send 0.005 Venom. All right. So since no minimum was set, they just say send coin, send from your wallet. So I'm going to send them 0.005. That's a whole lot. Transaction is sending. So click on OK. Transaction has been sent successfully. Click on OK. All right. So now let's go back to the task. Click on this browser to go back to the task. So we have sent. We'll make that. So we're going to click here to confirm. Check the progress. Let's see. So wait for it while it's checked. All right. So while it's checking, I'm going to go back. All right, done. It's done. Why all these things are so easy? So very, very simple. Now I'm going to mint my NFT. Pay one Venom to mint. All right. So as while this one is minting, I'm going to go back to my Macy's browser. Let me finish what I'm doing there. All right. So remember we are signing in our Twitter here so that we can verify our Macy's browser. All right. I want to show you how you can get some bonus from the Macy's browser. So don't get carried away. What we are doing is just for that. Okay. It's just for the. All right. So verified my Twitter and then I'm here. If your account is eligible, you automatically follow. So let's confirm. What are they doing? Authorize. I don't want to waste my time with this guy. Reviewing your eligibility for the airdrop. Please wait. Standard creation time. Blah 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 blah. If your account is eligible, you'll be automatically follow this. Like and retweet a post to claim the airdrop. Alright, so I think this thing is reviewing, so I'll come back to this guy. No, let's go to my Venom, please. Alright, so the NFT is minted, right? So this NFT is minted. Let's go back to the task. Go back to project. Alright, that's where you click. Oh, this guy's not reacting. Go back, please. Alright, so the NFT is minted. Let's go back to project. Good. So far we got two of the tasks done, so we are good. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Flex decks on Venom that enable seamless trading. So we have 5 tasks to complete in this one. So complete tasks. Alright, so here these are the tasks. Follow these guys and then check. So click here to follow. Follow these guys. Like I told you, I'm gonna go here, like this. Go back. Like their pin posts. Like this pin post. Comment here. Comment something good, something massive. So let's go back here. Go back. You see, I'm clicking the up arrow, not the down one, okay? Alright, so we have followed them. Let's check. Click on check now. Let's see how that goes. Bingo. It's done. So we are back to the other task. This one says what? Swap any token available on test for. So click here. So click here. Let's go there and swap. Don't be scared. We have enough Venom. Have up to 40 something Venom, okay? Alright, so this is the page. All this can take time, but eventually that brings you here, right? So it's here. So what do you need to do now? You need to connect our wallet, right? So click on connect your wallet and then select the account. So I got about 48 remaining. All right. So they say make a swap. My balance I have 48. So I'm going to make a swap. Swap 0.01. Man to 0.04. All right. So that'll give me this huge amount of USDT. So I'm going to make the swap now. These things they are not void. There's no value that says it's void. You have to do this 1,000 volume. So that just manage your Venom, okay? So confirm this, and then you send this guy. You notice when you're making any swap or anything here, they will take some Venom. I mean, it will be in your. Those guys are somewhere else. After the whole swap is successful, they'll return it for you. All right. So let's see. Was the swap successful? My balance is 0 here on this USDT. Was that swap successful, please? All right. So let's do it again. 0.04. So let's check our transaction history here. Whoa, all these guys are there for me. Is it me that's doing this one? Or everybody's transaction history? Okay, let's go to my own history. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything here. Alright, my history is not showing anything, not to worry. Let's go back to the swap page. Let's check our USDT. Once the swap is done, we should have some amount of USDT here, okay? So now that's what you have to wait for it. Some of you, once you make the swap, you just go ahead and start going to check. You have to wait for the whole thing to execute, okay? It hasn't executed yet. Once it's executed, you should get the value in USDT here, right? Now once you have that value, you cannot go to swap to check if your activity has been done or not, okay? So I'm not going to be in a rush. I'm going to wait for them. I think when it's done, I should get something in my history. All right, so let me wait. While we wait, let me check. All right, good. So you can see that one has appeared here in my history. So I've swapped some wrap Venom to 0.04 USDC. So let's go again. Let's go again. If you check your USDT now, it's supposed to show me the value here now, right? So let's switch position. This guy, that's shy. All right, that's one disadvantage of using lower amount. It's possible that the USDC is actually here, but I won't say it. 0.04. You get it's possible it's here, but I won't say it. All right, so it's not here. If it's here, it's not going to be showing me this guy here. This red that showing me. So it has not reflected yet. I'll have to wait. Insufficient balance. So that USDT has not reflected yet. 0.04. Alright, so I got 0.04 from here to here. So let's wait for this guy to finish with their whatever they are doing. Alright, so transaction successful, good. So the first one has dropped, 0.04 has dropped. Alright, so you can see the balance here now. So now let's go back to the second one as well has dropped. So you see this thing takes time. Alright, let's go back to check. We have done that task, so let's go back to check. Back please. Back. Let's go back to tax. All right, so this is where we are going. We're going back to task. Whoa. Okay, I've already done 2 or 5 tasks. We'll complete tasks. So let's go back here. So the swap is done. Now it's to add liquidity, provide liquidity in any pair. Then the other one, deposit LP. So it's remaining 2. So provide liquidity in any pair. So let's go here again. So here we are. Wallet is connected. Let's say provide liquidity in any pair, right? So I'm going to click on add liquidity. Click on add liquidity. So in any pair, so I'm going to use. Do I have? Okay. Is my account not connected? I don't have a wrapped Venom, and they want me to provide liquidity there. How do I get wrapped Venom now? Let me get this guy USDC here. USDC and S bar. What's it, guy's name? Connect account. Please click on this connect account first. So we wait for the connecting decks. Wait for the connection to complete. You have to first click on connect account, right? So while it's processing, I'll pause. Let me pause. All right. First is to connect decks. Now they say connect pool again. So I'm going to click on connect pool again. This is serious. So you have to work with this guy as they're working with you. Gonna be doing connecting to pool. USD connecting to pool. USD XD very kiniko. So we're connecting to that one again. All I want to do here is just to create this thing. All right. So I'm going to pause again. Let me save time. All right. Say pool connected. It just say pool connected now. What up? All right. Let me wait for it this time around. Connecting pool. Click connecting to this guy. Allow you to connect to. It say pool connected and this guy is showing me this. So I just have what I have to do is before I provide this liquidity, let me go and swap some Venom to. Now let me show you what I'm doing. Click here. I want to swap some Venom to wrap Venom. I don't know if this liquidity pair is not doing. So let's go to swap. I'm going to swap my Venom to you get out to wrap Venom. So let me just give them 2. I'm going to swap 2 Venom to wrapped Venom. All right, so that I can create the pool with with the wrapped Venom instead of the stick SDVN whatever. So I'm sending transaction. Swapping should be easy for you now. So I'm going to wait for them. They shouldn't take too much time. All right, so we gotta wait for this. We have to wait. All right, I can see transaction successful. Yeah, swapped to my wrap Venom. So let me see if I have the wrap. Where are you? Okay. It says successful, but it hasn't reflected yet. So give it time. Give it time. When it reflects, it's going to show up here. All right, you're going to see here wrapped venom, two wrapped venom. Okay, I'll pause and wait for this guy to come. All right, so I have my two venom here. The two venom has dropped. All right, so now we can go back to providing liquidity, right? Let's go here to providing liquidity. That's the task we're supposed to do now. So liquidity, providing liquidity. All these things are in one place already. All right, so you can just come here and do all the swap, provide liquidity, remove liquidity before you go even check that tax. But I'm going to follow it serially so that we don't get ourselves confused. So let's go to providing liquidity here. All right, so add liquidity. So I have Venom now, so I'm going to add liquidity with Venom and then with USDT. So click on connect pool. Let's see, go. Because the other one, I click on connecting, it's just connecting and it's not showing. So let's see how this one goes. Let's try with Venom and with USDT. It's possible that it's not connecting because I don't have any stake Venom, blah blah blah. So I'll wait for it. I'm going to pause the video. Let me save a little time. All right, same connecting pool, connect pool again. So I'm going to click on connect pool, send. I approve this. So connecting pool. I just if this guy the fuck off this time around. So this is the second time. Let's wait for it. It's your boy VenomFoundation Testnet, the crypto guy. All right, so yeah, this is where we are. I have to connect this in again the third time for it to before it actually happens. So if yours is showing connect to pool, make sure you connect for the many times that it pops up until it's done. When it's done, you have option like this to do. So let's go. Let's start. I'm going to do this with 0. Let's say 0.04 wrapped venom against my USDT So I'm going to do this one 0.01. All right. Oh, this one is too much. Let me do 0.01. All right. So I'm going to continue now. First, you click on deposit. Yeah, you approve this. Pay this amount in gas. Don't go and waste your venom in doing this thing so that you don't have anyone left again. No? So since it's not volume, it doesn't matter how many volume you are doing. Just do it little by little like this, okay? All right, it's your boy VenomFoundation, the crypto guy. So I'm going to wait for this guy to take time, so I'll be pausing and be doing it accordingly. All right, so the first stage is confirmed. Now we go to deposit. Oh, I've prepared this in what up. All right, so if you want to add token in a balanced proportion, you can enable it. Let's go and click on this deposit here. Sign this guy. So depositing this amount of USDT, we have already deposited this wrapped venom. Now we're going to deposit this USDT. I'll pause the video and come back. All right, so this guy should be done, right? Just show me confirmation now. All right, so in order to provide liquidity, we have deposited this wrapped venom and this USDT. Now we're going to click on supply. This should be the last stage. Supply. So wait for them again. I'm going to wait for them again. All right, so you can see this guy is done. So we are through with this process of providing liquidity. So let's go to pool. Whatever that means. Okay, I think there's another one that we need to remove liquidity. Okay, now let's go to the task, please. Let's go to the task page and check. Let's check where we are. So I'm going to click back to go to the task. Swap. All right, so I'm clicking back to go to the task. So here we are. This is the task. You can copy this link and keep somewhere so that you don't, in case you can't get back here, you can always, go here and click on the link. So this is the task. We are here. Still 2 of 5. Okay, so we have done 2 of 5. This one I say add provide liquidity in any pair. We've done that. So let's check and see how that goes. Your task is being checked. Make sure you've completed the task and check back in a few minutes. All right, I'm sure some of you have been getting this, and I told you like you need to give it time. You see what I'm talking about now. I provided liquidity, but it's still asking me blah blah blah. So I'm going to wait. We are going to wait and check back on that task. But while we wait for that task, of course, we can do this next one here. Deposit LP into your yield farming pools. All right, so click here. Let's go there and do that one while we wait for this other one. So I'm going to click here. Farming pool. We are deposit LP. Okay, so we already provide LP with this pair USDT Venom. That LP now we're going to deposit it into farming pool. Yeah, is that clear? So this is our pair USDT whatever. Let's click on that guy. Your farming USDT LP. So I have LP already. So this one is showing I have USDT Venom LP. So I'm going to do this deposit. So this is the math. I don't want to do the math. I'm going to be doing no. I don't want to use the whole math. This is the math LP we have 0.006 whatever. I want to do 0.003. All right. Then number of days. The minimum is 2 days. The maximum is 30 days. So I'm going to do. Let's do 7 days. 7 days a week. Let's do 25 days. All right. So I'm going to deposit now. Send. So waiting for it to deposit. I'll pause the video while I wait. All right. So the LP should be done. No, I don't know this one. LP is done. So LP is deposited. You can withdraw the LP if you want to do. Let's see. Let me see. Click on math. The LP is not yet done. No, the deposition of the LP is not yet is not yet done. Is it? Okay, it's done. No, my deposit. So this is my deposit 0.003 into this farming pool. So I'm done with that. What's my lock period? My lock period was what? 25 days, right? All right, so let's go back to the task now. Let's go back to the task and check. Let's check if the other one is confirmed now. Okay, you're good. You can see all of them are confirmed now. So we can now mint our third NFT on the Venom network. So I'm gonna click on mint it. So anytime you try to confirm and they tell you that it's not yet done, leave it, go and do the other one. All right, so I think this should be straightforward, just that it's long. Of course it has to be long. Now let me teach you how to watch videos like this. Is as you watch, if you go and watch where I say deposit, you see in that deposit, you go to your phone, you do the deposit, you come back to the video, proceed to the next step. Don't forget I've installed my Mrs. browser, right? I'm going to drop the link in the description of the video where you can go to download your Mrs. browser as well. So if you're having issue with all those setting up, I was doing with that Mrs. browser, forget about that one. The only thing you need to do here is to set up your MetaMask in that Mrs. browser. when it comes to where I need to connect something and make some kind of bridging, blah blah blah, I'm going to show you that the reason why I installed that browser. All right, so the main thing is processing. I'm going to pause it and come back.